Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you're just joining me for the first time, welcome. My name is Oreshante, and in this video I'll be showing you how the two different methods I prefer to use when I am installing Crochet Faux Locs. Now Crochet Faux Locs are, like an imitation of the real dreads, but some don't look so real. So the traditional method looks real as it ages, like the traditional method of making it. But I'm going to show you the crochet method. So I'm going to divide, I just sectioned the hair and I'm going to divide it into two parts and make two plaits. Now these two plaits is what is going to guide me on the two different methods I'm going to show you guys. Okay, so I'm about to divide the sections, and yeah. Okay, so the hair I'm going to be using is Decorous Dear Hair. It's my hair brand, and we have this particular Crochet Faux Locs. They look very realistic. In a bundle comes 30. There are 30 strands in a bundle, and I always advise my clients to just use two bundles. 60 is just enough for this hairstyle. I don't know, it depends. I mean, if you like fuller hair, then sure, go for more bundles, but I prefer 60 because the older it looks, the more realistic it becomes. And yeah, that's basically it. So I'm sectioning the hair, the normal plaiting or braid method, 3 parts, and then you have to do a crisscross kind of thingy. Well, let me just weave it normally just to make things easier and faster for myself. Okay, I'm adjusting this. Okay, so we'll make the weaving now all the way to the end of the hair, and then we will begin the crocheting. So now I'm just going to weave or plait the hair all the way to the end, like so. And yeah, oh wow, they just brought light. If you live in Nigeria, you know what I'm talking about. Okay, so I'm going to use this particular type of crochet pin because a needle or a crochet hair pin, yeah, because it's bigger, it's easier to see. They're really small ones, and I really fancy those ones. Now, basically, you pass the loop of the hair, which I'm going to show you shortly. 1 minute. Let's see. Yeah, so the hair has a loop. Each strand of the Faux Locs has a loop, and now you're going to pass the crochet pin through the braid or the plait there, yeah, and you're going to put the loop of the Faux Locs. Let me zoom in now to make it clearer. So you're going to put the loop of the Faux Locs through that latch, and then it closes up, and then you pass the single-ended side of the Faux Locs through the loop, just like trying to just knot something up, but just once, don't make it too tight. And then you unravel the Faux Locs and gradually wrap the plait around or into gradually wrap the Faux Locs in around the plait. Yes. Okay, so like I'm unraveling and wrapping, and you just keep doing this till you get to the end of the hair. Now the only reason why I don't prefer this method, like I'm going to show you the second method, and I prefer the second method more than this one. Trust me, this method looks really realistic and tidy, but after like a week or a week and a half, it starts to unravel, and then the plate begins to come out of the Faux Locs begins to unravel itself out of the plate. Do you get where I'm coming from? So, and that can be a little bit tacky and that usually happens because of manipulation, packing your hair up in a bun, leaving it down, flipping it to the side, to the left, to the right, making it center part, just being because the hairstyle is very versatile, so you can do so many things with it, and all of that manipulation disturbs the wrap and makes it unravel out of the braid or the plait. So now this is the second method. So just the same thing I did with the first thing. Pass everything through the loop, pull it out of the loop, blah blah blah. Now I'm going to wrap the plait around the faux locks. Exactly just like what I'm doing, just wrapping it around the faux locks. I'm going to start now, and then you see what I mean. Don't pick up the pieces, just leave it for now. Falling apart. So I'm wrapping it round and round the faux locks till I get to the end. And the thing is, the mannequin's hair is very silky, synthetic and very, very silky. So it's not, sitting or attaching itself properly to the faux locks that has a more kinkier texture to it. But if you're doing this hair on someone who has kinky hair, whether it's natural, whether it's relaxed or it's kinky, or has a bit of texture to it, it sits properly on the faux locks. Now you're not going to leave it that way because it's going to look very tacky. You're going to get just a piece of kinky hair, kinky bulk hair, marley hair, or any hair or extensions that have texture to it. So you cut a bit of it out, like that piece I just showed, and you wrap it around the wrapped plate. Do you get? It just gives a neater finish to the hair and a more realistic look. So I'm going to show you now. So this method is somewhat similar to the traditional faux locks installment method, but it's just easier one and not as time consuming as the other. Anyways, I hope you understood everything I explained, and I hope I explained properly. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Oh, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.